Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add bots in a training mode to hone your skill. So first, click multiplayer banner at the right of your screen, and at the bottom of your screen there's a game mode. Click it. So there are game mode selection here: core, future, and practice. Please select the practice mode, and there are four training mode that you can practice. So I will try the training mode, so you can try the training mode first, the easy one, then click confirm, and let's get started. So welcome in the training mode. This is a training ground that you can practice your aim, your movement, and also hone your skill of marksmanship. So as you can see, this is a regular target. This is as you can see, but you can change or adding bot or adding AI to change this regular or ordinary target. You have what you have need to do is click at the bottom of your screen the yellow button, the yellow tools button. Click. This is a common panel, so as you can see, you can read both parameters in here. You can custom the speed of it, the movement of your boat, and also the track. You can strike circle. This is the movement of boat that you want to practice, and then click add boat, as many as you need to practice. As you can see, I add 4 boat in here. You can see the target change by boat, so you can practice shooting the AI. So you can add uh, up to 7 or up to 7 bot in here to practice your aim, to practice your movement. So thanks for today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.